In this video, we continue solving equation, but the result will have been in the form of fraction. A form of fraction is a little bit harder than integer or the negative number. So, how can we work with that? 2x plus 5 over 4 equal to 3. The first step, I will multiply 4 for both sides of this equation. The new form will be like this, and here is 12. After that, we take subtraction, minus 5 for both these sides, and here become to 7. And the next step, divide by 2. H will be 7 over 2. Question B, 3x minus 4 over 6 equal to 3 over 4. Multiply 6 for both sides. I want to change 3x minus 4 over 1. Multiply 6, this is become to 18 over 4. The next step, we need to add 4. Minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. 3x become to subject. And 18 over 4 plus 4. Plus 4 is mean plus 60 over 4. Here is 60 over 4. And then you got here is 34 over 4. And after that, divide by 3. Divide by 3. This is divide by 3. This means multiply 1 over 3. And multiply 1 over 3 means 34 over 12 like this one. Okay, we finish this question. The next one will be question C. Okay, a little harder because we have bracket. We have a longer exercise. Multiply 3 and here is 10. Okay, first one, divide by 3. Divide by 3, you got 7 plus 2x over 4. And the other side is 10 over 3. After that, multiply by 4. Multiply both sides here by 4. This side become to 7 plus 2x. And here is 40 over 3. 40 over 3. After that, we take minus 7. 2x equal to 40 divided by 3 minus 7. 40 over 3 minus 21 over 3. And the result will be 19 over 3. 2x equal to 19 over 3 divided by 2. Here is h. This one is 19 over 3 divided by 2 is mean multiply 1 over 2. H here, 19 here over 6. Okay. That's question C. The next one will be D. Okay. 1 over 2, 3h minus 1 over 5. Okay. First step, multiply 5. Multiply 5, we got here is 5 over 2, 3h minus 1, and then plus 1. Plus 1 in left, we got this one, 2 over 2. Plus 1 in right, you got 3h only. And 7 over 2 will be result. After this step, divide both sides by 3 for subject x. 7 over 2 divided by 3 equal to x. 7 over 2 multiply 1 over 3 equal to x. 7 over 6 equal to x now. Okay, we finish this question.